Welcome everyone, and this is Ana Veronica Aponte, and this is my first project for the CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript course called Search. In this page I had to program at least three pages, one for regular Google search, one for the Google image search, and one for the Google advanced search. In the first page called index, we can see the Google search page, where there is an input field where we can type any query like this one, and if we click on the Google search button, it will take us to the Google results page for that query. If we go back here, we can, instead of click the Google search button, we can press enter and it will guide us to the same results page. In the upper right corner we can see we have links for the images page and the advanced search page. As well, we can type any query, and if we click on the I'm feeling lucky button, it will guide us to the first page of that given query. In this case, is the Wikipedia page for entry for the cat, for a cat. Next up, if we click on the link where it says images, it will take us to the Google images search. In this one we can type any query as well, and if we click on the search button, it will take us to the Google images results page for that given query. Moreover, we see if we click on the advanced search link, it will take us to the advanced search page. Here we can find two different ways to go to the Google Home search page. If we click here in the image, and if we click here on the top right corner where it says Google search. In this page we encounter a form with 4 input fields. These fields are made for finding pages with all these words, these exact words or phrase, any of these words, or none of these words. For example, if we want to look for dogs with the exact word Pomeranian, including the word pet or animal, and including all the pages that doesn't have the word cats. If we click here on the advanced search page, it will take us to the results page for that query. We can see here, up here, where it search about dogs that are pet or animals, and has the word Pomeranian between quotation marks, and doesn't have the word cats. Finally, we can see that all the CSS that's been written here resembles the Google's own aesthetics. This was the Project Zero search for the CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. Thanks for listening.